Si ano pa lang 'to, Kong Marcoleta pa lang, wala napapa-hearing suspension sila. Wala.
Mr. Chair.
Marcolet,
The point of
relax
order
lang.
is the second highest motion in the House.
Sabi niyang gano'n pero nung sinugod, tingnan niyo tingnan na muna natin yung umpisa kasi galit dito si Kong Marcoleta, eh.
Why would the committee, Mr. Chair, arrogate upon itself the very mandate and responsibility of the Commission on Audit? Article 9D, Section 2, Paragraph 1 of the 1987 Constitution, Mr. Chair, the Commission on Audit shall have the power, authority, and the duty to examine, audit, and settle all accounts pertaining to the revenue and receipts of and expenditures or uses of funds and property. Mr. Chair, this constitutional provision jibes with Section 25, Paragraph 2 of Presidential Decree 1445 or the State Audit.
Okay, so bago pumasok si Kong Marcoleta, so unang note natin, unang hearing pa lang ang kanilang tinutumbok ay yung pangyayari kahapon or since the other day with the detention nitong si Yusek Lopez. So, kanina pa lang, first part pa lang ng hearing nito, yung dinidebunk nila yung totoong pangyayari. Unang note natin dito, sabi nung si Taas, may evidence daw sila na CCTV. Pero nung pinakita yung video na yon, kung saan pinasok nung staff ng house yung room nitong si Yusek Lopez, CCTV, meron daw silang CCTV footage. Pero yung pinakita lang nila, cellphone video. So, hindi ba mas maganda pag yung CCTV talaga ang ipapakita nila? Kasi makikita mo kung ilang tao ang pumasok doon. According to Yusek Lopez, 10. According to General Taas, 4. So CCTV video, cellphone video lang ang ipinakita doon. Pero sabi niya, CCTV footage. So hindi nila kinwestiyon 'yon. Walang question sa parte ng house. Pangalawang note natin dito is yung pinakita na cellphone footage na 'yon, pinarinig nila yung audio. Gusto nung house na marinig yung audio. I mean yung nag-interpolate. Pero yung pangalawang video kung saan kinukuha yung cellphone nitong si Yusek Lopez, wag na raw yung audio. So paano natin malalaman kung ano yung usapan nila doon prior to getting the cellphone of Yusek Lopez? Kasi doon sa unang video, pinarinig yung audio which is sinasabi kinakausap para makapasok sila doon sa room ni Yusek Lopez. Pero yung pangalawang video, walang audio. Hindi nila pinarinig yung audio. Malaban natin kung anong sinasabi nila doon. Pangatlong note, yung kwento nung si Saan na si Taas, kung saan paninira daw yung sinasabi nila VP nila Yusek Lopez. Tinanong siya ng house ano daw ang masasabi niya doon. Sabi ni Taas, wala daw siyang pinanood ni isa doon sa mga pinagsasabi daw ni VP at ni Yusek Lopez. So kung hindi nila pinanood, bakit sila sumasagot ngayon? Yun ang tanong. Pangapat, si Franz Castro nag-move siya ng 10 days, additional 10 days. Kasi 5 days yung contempt ni Yusek Lopez, nag-additional sila ng nag-extend ng 10 days. Kaya pumasok si Kong Marcoleta dito. Bakit ganun kabilis yung kanilang pag-extend ng contempt na hindi naman pa nila intensively iniimbestiga kung ano ba ang totoong nangyari. Kasi nakita ninyo ganun kabilis yung kanilang statement na ito yung nangyari, pumasok sila, tapos kinuha yung cellphone, pero hindi man dininig yung other side. Tapos meron ng move to add more days doon sa contempt ni Yusek Lopez. Kaya dito pumasok si Kong Marcoleta at na-high blood sila. And then after that, si VP Sara naman. Tignan natin.
Code of the Philippines, which says,
Tignan mo, sumugod si si Kong Marcoleta. Tignan mo. Nanduduro pa siya. Ganun pa. Inaamo-amo ni Suarez. Ako pa, kailan niya. Oh, si Paduano ng tapang-tapang. Bibiruan pala kayo, tatapang-tapang. Hindi pinapansin ni Kong Marcoleta. Pas. Hindi pinapansin ni Marcoleta. Wala silang magawa, wala silang masabi. So, nung pumasok naman si
paano ginanap yung assessment
nangyari doon ba't ngumingiwi?
ng totality? Tinatanong ko sa inyo kanina kung paano ginanap
Ala, delikado pala yung house. Delikado pala tayo dito. Alos lahat pala silang ngumingiwi.
Mr. Chair, yun nga po yung tinatanong ko sa inyo kanina kung paano ginanap yung assessment
Wala namang bubble gum.
ng totality of evidence.
Proceed to the next item in our agenda.
Pasok.
Wala na po tayong...
Mr. Chair, respectfully, may I say something?
Yes, Honorable.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
Honorable Vice
Mr. Chair?
President, before I recognize you, would you like to take your oath?
Yeah.
Please admit.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in
Yan.
this
Ayan. Wish granted. Di ba yan yung gusto nyo? Umattend siya. O, ayan, umattend.
inquiry? So help you God.
You get what you have asked for.
Yeah, oath has been administered, Your Honors.
Mr. Chair, the position of Undersecretary and Assistant Secretaries and other appointed positions are positions of trust and confidence by the appointing authority. The resignation letters of the USEX and the ASEX of DepEd were accepted by the appointing authority. And who is that? Mr. Chair,
Sino?
the President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Yes.
Patay.
It is not the Secretary of the Department of Education.
Yan kasi.
So you ask the President of the Republic of the Philippines why he accepted the resignation of the USEX and the ASEX.
Oh, patay. Tapos, ang lusot nila, hindi yan yung usapan. And then, until hearing suspension.
What is the point, Honorable Vice President?
What is
Ang
that?
sinasabi ko sa inyo, bakit nyo kine-question ang due process? Tanungin nyo ang appointing authority, bakit niya tinanggap ang resignation letter?
Madam Vice President,
Yes, sir.
we will... wala pa po tayo dun sa usapin na yun.
Sa anong usapin, sir?
Later po sa binabanggit po ninyo.
Sa anong
Wala pa
usap-
po tayo sa period of interpellation. Bubuksan ko pa lamang po ang period of interpellation.
Yes, sir. Nandun na kayo sa topic. Hindi po tayo nag-i-interpellation ngayon.
Madam Vice President, nag-uusap po muna ang mga miyembro.
Yes,
so,
sir.
please do respect.
What?
Yung
Yes,
mga-
I am very respectful.
Tapos suspension.
I am dovetailing from Congressman Marcoleta. The appointing authority is the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Why are you questioning due process in a discussion of resignation of USEX and ASEX?
Wala pa pong nagtatanong about that, Madam Vice President.
Sir, sir, dinetain nyo na yung tao for due process.
Ano kaya nangyari sa kamay ni VP? Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh. Kaya nangyari dyan?
Madam Vice President,
Sir, nasa loob ng detention ang tao because you
Para siyang drawing.
question due process. Asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Nasaan?
Madam Vice
Tinanong
President,
kita kanina. I'm sorry, sir. Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? USEC ng ASEC. Anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo alam.
Hindi pa po ako nagsumasagot.
Hindi mo. Nakita kita, sumagot.
Nagiging puny ka tuloy.
Camera.
Action.
Nakita kita, sumagot. Sinabi mo,
Mr.
Secretary.
Chairman, motion to
Hindi
suspend.
nyo alam
To the rescue naman yung mga buhaya.
lahat.
Alam ni Chua kung ano yung gagawin niya. 1 minute suspension.
Na ang nag-a-appoint ay
minute
President.
suspension is
Tignan mo kung gaano niya kabilis kinuha yung pamalo.
Motion to
Hindi
suspend.
nyo alam lahat.
one
Na
minute
ang
kasi.
nag-a-appoint
Hindi niya alam talaga anong gagawin niya eh, kasi hindi niya, tingnan mo, may umaagaw ng kanyang
Good.
pamalo.
Sinabi-
diba? Sino bang katabi ni
Yung
Chua?
Secretary.
Inagaw yung pamalo.
Motion to suspend.
Ayan na. Ayan.
Hindi nyo alam lahat.
May unang kung...
one minute.
Ayan o, kinuha.
Kita kita, sumagot.
Bobo pala tong si Chua. Hindi niya alam anong gagawin.
Sinabi mo,
Mr.
Secretary.
Chairman,
Unahan pa siya. Tingnan.
motion to
Hindi
suspend.
nyo alam lahat.
Ayan o, may kamay na unang. Sino makatabi ni Chua? Katabi ni Chua. Si Dong Gonzales. Sabi niya, suspend mo.
One minute kasi.
Nag-a-appoint ay
One minute
President.
suspension is declared by the chair.
Bobo pala
Can
to.
we observe proper decorum, Mr. Chairman?
Proper decorum. Huwag kang mambabae kung gusto mo ng proper decorum. Naririnig. Yan. You've got what you asked for. Ito na yung content. Grabe si VP yung tapang, oh. Yan kasi
Mr. Chair, respectfully,
hindi pa resume eh.
of the Office of the Vice President want to sit with me.
Kaya sila suspend kasi ayaw nilang marinig yung mga sinasabi ni VP dahil sila ay mapapahiya.
Yes. Sir,
Wala pang resume eh. Pero since ABS-CBN kasi itong coverage, nakukuha ng mga sinasabi. Diba? Aligagan. Mga buhaya. Paano na yung script natin dito? Paano na yung stick to the plan natin dito? Dumating itong CVP. Paano na to?
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman.
Maybe allowed.
Yes, Madam Vice
Yes.
President.
you need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You asked the President why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman
Na-rescue talaga sila eh. Pag
Paduano. Congressman Nakop.
Mr. Chair, Madam Vice
Chair,
President,
Mr. Chair.
if you have any question insofar as the actions of this committee are concerned, I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Sir, I will go to court.
Malaki yung eyebags mo ah.
Opo, pero
Oo,
that is
pero
your-
araw-araw, you are depriving a person of her liberty while I await
that is precisely the point, ma'am.
the...
If our action of detaining your chief of staff is against the law, I think the proper remedy, and I think you're a lawyer,
Yes, sir.
the proper remedy is to go to the court.
Sir, do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Napapahiya kayo.
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin
Oo.
po natin yung batas
Kaya
dito
nga,
sa
sir,
House.
sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin
Bahay ng Kongreso, mga buhaya.
natin yung batas. why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the President?
Si Akop sabi niya, paano na yung plan natin?
Madam Vice President, that is the decision of the committee as a whole. Sana po
Oo, in the middle of the night.
respetuhin po ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Kung meron pong
Okay.
Tingnan niyo yung mga pagmumukha nila, hindi maipinta. Ayan, ay, paano na to? Sabi niya, ay, wala na, sira na yung script natin. Ito si Dan, sabi niya, ay, paano na yung 1 million per show natin dito? Si Don Gonzales, nyek, nyek.
respetuhin po ninyo.
Yes, sir.
Kung meron pong
Okay.
remedy, alam naman po ninyo bilang abogado na tama po yung sinasabi ni Congressman Acop, pwede po tayong mag-file ng relief sa
Okay,
court.
sige, sir. Tinutulungan ko lang kayo, sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas.
Ay,
Ganito ba
tay.
ang House of Representatives? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo.
Maraming salamat po, Madam Vice President.
With all due respect,
Yes,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman
Mr. Chair, I move that we
Deputy
strike
Speaker
out. Yeah, I move that we
Suarez.
strike out that last comment said about the House of Representatives. I don't think that is warranted. Neither is it fair to make.
Grabe, ano, ang bilis nilang mag-rescue ng mga ganyan. Pag mga ganyan, strike out. Pero pag may sinasabi silang comments sa mga resource person na hindi naman kasama, pambabastos, walang strike out. Walang kakampi yung mga resource person. O, ayan, sumugod si VP Sara. Now, wish granted. Di ba yun yung gusto ninyo? O ngayon, sira ang plano ninyo.